Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys. Now, in this video, I'm going to talk about two things that I think every beginner Forex trader needs. The first thing that you need is a trade manager. You need something that will automatically calculate your lot sizes. You need something that will automatically prevent you from over trading, and you need something to manage your trades when you're cooking in the kitchen or doing something else. All right. Now, our tool, this is our trade manager software. It allows you to manage your trades very easily. So let me show you. It provides a wonderful panel that you can use to buy and sell very easily just by clicking a button. And it also automatically calculates the lot size that you should use. So maybe you want to risk 0.8% of your account. You can just type in your risk, type in your stop loss, and it will automatically calculate the lot size that you should be using. All right. You can choose to move your stop loss to break even. You can choose to close 50% of your trades. You can choose to close the trades in profit or close all the trades in loss. It's all up to you. Now, the most important feature it has is the daily equity protector. It allows you to stop you from over trading, basically. So if your target is $100 for the day, once you hit $100, you can't trade anymore. That's it. Same thing for loss. If your target is $100 loss for the day and you don't want to trade anymore, once you hit that loss, it prevents you from trading the account. All right. And yeah, that's basically it. It gives you a trailing stop loss. It shows you your balance, your equity, your drawdown. It's perfect for beginners. All right, so that's one. The second tool that we have is our uGenesys trend. All right, now the biggest problem that many traders have is they don't know what to trade. They don't know when to trade. All right, now we've solved this problem with our uGenesys trend indicator. Every day it gives you an alert. So it tells you what currency pair to choose, and it tells you what time to trade. All right. Let me scroll down so you can see it. So yeah, it gives you sell alerts at different times, the best times for trading. It gives you buy alerts as well. It allows you to see the overall trend of the market, and it also gives you the currency strength. So when you look at this, you will be able to know exactly what currency pair to trade. All right. So yeah, guys, these are my two tools for Forex beginners, and I put the link to them in the description of this video. I also put the link to the tutorials that I did on how to use these two indicators. So guys, you can just click the link in the description below and you'll see everything that you need. Now, guys, you can enjoy today's video. All right. Talk soon.
Hello everyone, this is Daniel with uGenesys, and today I'm going to show you an amazing indicator that can remove 95% of losing signals generated by different indicators, alright? So with this indicator, you can avoid 95% of the losing signals on our different charts, okay? So let's go ahead and open up a Euro USD chart with a 5-minute time frame. And I'm using the Heikin-Ashi candles here for this chart, okay? And then let's go ahead and click on the indicator section and type in volume weighted average price. Okay, we have it right here. And add that to our chart. So looking at this indicator, we can see it has a middle blue band, an upper green band, and a lower green band as well. So I know sometimes traders may have an indicator that they like which will give them buy and sell signals. So with this indicator, you can use it in combination with those kind of indicators, and it can basically filter out the bad signals from your buy sell indicator, okay? So let's take a look at an example using an indicator to get buy and sell signals. So let's click on the indicator section and type in extreme trend. That's XTREME trend. Here we have it. Let's click on this one and let's make some adjustments. So we're going to go to the settings and we're going to select style, and we'll uncheck the X trend and the 200 EME checkboxes. Alright, and now all we are left with are the buy and sell signals from this indicator here. Okay, let's click on OK. So let's take a look at our chart. So the rule with using this volume weighted average price indicator is that if the market is in the channel then we won't take the trade, all right? So we would like to take our positions when there's a breakout and the market is outside of the channel, okay? And when the market is below the lower band here, then that means we're in a downward trend and we can take sell positions. And if the market is above the upper band here, then that means we're in an uptrend and we can take buy positions, okay? Let's take a look at some examples here. Okay, so if you look right here, we can see we have our market below the lower band of the VWAP indicator, and we have a sell signal from our X-trend indicator, all right? So this would be a good place to take a short position. So let's go ahead and open up our short position tool just to take a look at this section right here. So we could take our sell order right there and place our stop loss just at the previous high of the market and our take profit down here below, and you can see that will give us a risk reward ratio of 2.53. all right, so if you take a look here, you can see we have a breakout and our market is above the upper band of the VWAP indicator, and the X trend indicator is giving us a buy signal right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and use our long position tool and take a look at this right here. So we can put our stop loss just a little above the signal right here, and we can put our take profit up to the next high of the market, and we'll see that this gives us a risk reward ratio of 2.85. all right, so this is a very profitable trading strategy right here. So we can take a look at some other sections of our chart here. Here we have the market breaking out again above the upper band, and we have a buy signal here. So we can go long right here. This is a valid signal we have to take a buy position. And here's another section here where the market breaks below the lower band, and we have a sell signal here from our X trend indicator. So we can see that this would be a very profitable sell position right here. And the good thing is we can use this for any other chart. So let's go ahead and look at the GBP USD chart. And here's another scenario where we have our market breaking out above the upper band of the VWAP indicator, and we have a buy signal here, so we can go long at this section here, and we see we have a very profitable trade right there. Okay, so this is a very good combination of two indicators that you can use in any market or any time frame. All right, so thanks again for watching our video. Remember to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and comment down below and let us know what you think. Okay, goodbye for now.